Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ty and we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I'm doing a braid out with perm rods. You're going to need conditioner, shampoo, and co-wash is optional, along with the leave-in, shea moistures, curl enhancing smoothie, eco gel of your choice, a rat tail comb, a spray bottle, dimming brush, and clamps and rods. I started by parting my hair in 4 sections, starting from the back. The white stuff you see is just leave-in to help detangle. Your parts don't need to be straight nor neat. You're not going to see the parts when you're done anyways. Here I'm just saturating my hair with water, then I'm detangling with a dimming brush and leaving conditioner if you need it. After it's detangled, I added the curl smoothie all throughout the section from root to ends. Now I'm going to part my hair in small sections for the braids. The smaller the braid, the more defined they look. Also, if you want more of a curly look, it's less braid, more perm rod. I forgot to mention, the parts that's not braided, you add eco gel. Not a lot, just enough for your curl to hold, and after it dries, your hair shouldn't be crunchy. When adding the perm rod, you're going to roll your hair onto the rod, then tuck the ends of your hair into a spiral motion. If you don't understand, try slowing down the video and zooming in. After I finished, I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, then took them out the following day. Taking the perm rods out, it's easy if you detangle well. You're just unraveling the opposite way you rolled them. Those same 4 sections from the beginning help take the braids down easier. When unraveling the braid, you can add oil or butter to your hands to add shine to your hair, then go by each section and separate and fluff to your liking. I did not do too much of the fluffing and separating because it's still humid outside and it gets bigger throughout the week. And that's the end of my tutorial. If you want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.